Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mahfuzur Rahman, and my presentation topic is numerical method and its application. What is numerical method? Numerical method is an approach for solving complex mathematical problems using simple arithmetic operation. It involves the formulation of model of physical situation that can be solved by arithmetic operation. Need of numerical method. Numerical models are a central piece of science and engineering. Some models have closed-form solution, therefore they can be solved analytically. Many models cannot be solved analytically, or analytic solution is too costly to be practical. All models can be solved computationally, and the result may not be exact answer, but it can be useful. Steps involved to solve: formulation of a mathematical model, construction of an appropriate numerical method, implementation of the numerical method, obtain the solution by solving, and valuation of the solution. Why numerical methods are used in engineering? Engineers are mathematical modeling, which includes various equations and data to describe and predict the behavior of systems. Computers are widely used, which give accurate results and are the cheap and affordable to all. Many software packages are available that can be solved the problems. Now, the application of numerical method, modeling using numerical method. Numerical methods are used to modeling to reduce the number of a prototype to be constructed. It is also used to get the exact or similar design which is needed in the best way. To step a solution, we have to follow this step to solve. Write the numerical model code, find a simple analytical model and divide it into segments. The dimensions are to be specified. Scientific computing using numerical method. Design and analyzing for numerical solving mathematical problems in science and engineering, effects of approximation, and perform error analyzing, modern simulation of engineering application. How it is applied: develop a mathematical problem with your skill and the requirement, come up with a numerical algorithm, implement the algorithm, run, debug, test the code, visual and iterate the result, and validate the result. Where we use the application of numerical method in day-to-day life. To estimate ocean currents, by using that we can say that where there will be wind, so according to other places and other circumstance, and modeling airflow for our airplanes, shock waves, and curve fitting or tabular data. Suppose we don't know a data of a position, suppose there. So if we know the first and second data and the slope of this line, we can find the another data of this curve, electromagnetics, shuttle tank separation. Thank you, everyone.